Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an install and review of this Ottocast. Let's see what we have in the box. Can I do this with one hand? Let's see. Uh-oh. A little tough to get out of there. Oh, there we are. Books. Quick guides. Little card. Oh, there's the device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this user manual. I'm not going to bore y'all with that, and then I'll come back and try to walk through the steps of getting this thing installed. So, gather a little information. We're just going to wing it. It says plug it up and connect to some Wi-Fi, which I have another phone in here that I'm going to connect it to. Let's see how that operates. Let's see. I gotta disconnect myself. There it is, as you see. I don't know if I had the phone too low recording. So there you have it right there. Okay, agree and accept. Oh, I don't know why is it another language? Oh, I guess I had to click English. English. United States, of course. Whatever. Connected to the Wi-Fi. Alrighty. So I have that there. I'm gonna put my password in. I'll be right back. Put my password in, so now it's updating. I'm not going to bore y'all with the update. Pause the video and I'll come back when it's done. So, into the YouTube part of it, it's still updating. You see, and I'm going to see next is do the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto works, but I see right now the YouTube looks like it works. It's a little laggy. This is just one of my videos. See, does it work when you put it in drive? Yep, it still works. It's in drive. And once it updates, I'll see does the wireless CarPlay works, because this is a 2019 Ram 1500 and it only has the wired CarPlay. So we're gonna see if that wireless CarPlay works. Be right back. All right, it's updated, restarted. See the YouTube work as you've seen, and now we're gonna see, can we get your iPhone here to connect the CarPlay wirelessly once it gets through the boot. All right. I think I have to go to settings. That's what it said. Open my iPhone up. All right. I think that is it there. So you're gonna click that. Yes, and this is request. Set that down. Let's see. Hold on. Give me just a second. Let's see. Oh, it says connected, so let's go back to home. Go to phone. Oh, obviously that's not it. Oh, disconnected. Let's click it again. I tell you what, might be a little bit of my fault here. This is what I get for not reading. Let's go to settings. Let's go back to more. Let's go to connected devices. iPhone. Well, it says it's connected. Oh, now it says connect the CarPlay, so let's hit that. Let's see what that is up yonder. Nope, that's just the, let's go back home. This is what's on the regular menu here. Let's hit that there. CarPlay. Says connected. Looks like I got some figuring out to do. It's CarPlay. Even had the icon up there for a second. Go back in my settings on my phone. Let's see. Still connected. Let's search CarPlay on the phone. My cars you connect. CarPlay. Go back to media. Nope, didn't try to do that. On the settings of the truck and disconnect this from oh goodness, so many. Disconnect that. And let's forget. Delete that. Yes. Delete that. Yes. Let's see what else is in here. There's a lot of those, aren't there? Delete that. Let's go back. Alright, what I want to do is, I'm trying to figure this out and we'll come back. So I'm going to be honest, I don't know what happened. I guess with the iPhone, I turned the Bluetooth off. It's not connected, it's actually connected to the phone that I'm actually recording on now. But we're going to see if it works. So we're going to see if it works. I don't know if it's just got stuck like that or what. Turn that down. So it seems like everything works. I haven't logged into the Netflix to see if that works, but YouTube works. CarPlay works. Seems like a pretty good product if that's what you're into and what you're looking for. Had a long update. I know it's short for y'all, but for me it was about 20 minutes for it to update and install. It could have been my service, I don't know, but it took a little while. But I give it a good 4.5 out of 5 as far as right now. I'll do an update later on down the line to see if it's still working correctly or does it bunk out. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Y'all like and subscribe for more content.